Yo.
Hey, welcome to Multnomah Falls here
In Oregon.
in Oregon off the Columbia Gorge.
Oregon, USA.
And it's not so hot today. Yesterday it was 102. It's about 90 today, so we're happy.
So much better. Holy moly. Oh.
And this is a really amazing waterfall. Even in the middle of summer, there's still plenty of water flowing from it.
We had a big rainy season this past year, so yeah. I'd imagine it'd be quite flowing.
So let's go check it out.
Yeah.
All
See you
right.
there.
So the Union Pacific sign says 173 miles to Pendleton, 105 to Spokane, 393 to Boise. Portland's only 35, 177 to Tacoma, and Seattle 210, which we're on our way to. And I'm just hoping a train goes by at some point. It would be cool to see a train go over this trestle while we're here. Wait, I hear it. And there she goes.
Hey, so this seems to show all of the native wildlife in the area. There's like two different types of salmon, which is interesting. There's a Chinook salmon and a coho salmon. There's a bunch of different types of fish. Look at them, they've got a little sucker mouth on them. I think those are the fish that stick onto other things. But yeah.
Steelhead trout.
Steelhead trout, all the birds. Just interesting.
Belted kingfisher.
It's interesting to see how much different types of wildlife is in this one area.
Yeah. I don't know if we'll see any of that today, but hopefully we will. Here's the official sign to Multnomah Falls. So here we are. The sun is coming over the rise.
We're gonna walk up here too.
The Falls Bridge, 0.2 of a mile, top of the falls, 1 mile. We'll see about going to the top, possibly. Quite beautiful. As you can see, we're going to the bridge. Check out the moss growth on these trees. Super cool. You see all the moss. Very cool. Thick, lush moss. We're getting closer. Look at the catch fence they built here. And we're getting closer, coming around the edge. Here we go, here we go. Getting ready for our drum roll. Now there's an amazing shot. Look at that. Here's a view from the bridge. Kind of far down. And we are going to, I'm going to say attempt to hike up to the top. I'm not sure if I can handle it physically. I'm not in the most shape these days. Okay, we're going up. You can change your mind. This counts as a workout too. Look at that shot there. Beautiful. All right, we're going up. We're going up the trail. Look at this view. Columbia Gorge. Beautiful place. Okay, I'm starting to get out of breath, officially. And we're probably not even halfway up. It's definitely beautiful up here though. Wow, check out this view. Sasha, one of 11 switchbacks.
What's that?
That means the trail goes back and forth and back and forth. Giant Oregonian ants.
But like, oh my god, it's so pretty up there. Holy shit.
Whoa.
Just the halfway.
I don't like how
Hey,
big that ant is.
So nice.
I think
And
that
saw
ant was
some
trying to
dude-
attack me. Whoa, he's like
It
aggressive.
might be a bullet ant. Be careful.
It's early in the day, I still have energy. Wow, every corner just gets more beautiful.
Oh, you haven't even seen anything yet. It's like
Ain't seen nothing yet.
there's a
Baby, you ain't seen nothing yet.
like it actually.
Not even halfway up yet. And as you can hear, I got sweat rolling down my face and I'm out of breath.
Mile done.
Wait a minute. Sasha says
Sunscreen
we're half a mile in. Another half mile to go. I can do it, I can do it. For those of you watching this video that are thinking of attempting to do what we're doing, if you're not in good physical shape, I'm not in good physical shape, it's going to be hard.
Yeah,
If you're
it's tough.
really not in good physical shape, don't do it.
Yeah, this is a long one and it's tough. And it's paved at the very least, so it's not going to be like you're not going to be slipping, but it is long.
Yeah.
And it's all uphill. So that means downhill will be easier. But if you lean right here,
Yeah.
grab this, down there, and how far up we are.
Let's check it out. I'm not gonna fall. Thank you.
A couple spots.
Oh, all the ants down there.
Yeah.
Where we were.
So cool. And this spot is just insane.
Got a vulture cruising there.
Yeah, the trash can,
The vulture there is waiting for one of us to drop. He's hungry. I'm waiting for you, boys.
vultures are awesome.
Just waiting. I like my meat fresh, so keep on hiking. Another amazing view. Just keeps getting better the higher we go. We got wild blackberries out here.
Cool. Oh yeah.
And these purple wildflowers. Here's a rocky area here. And I can tell you that I'm sweating like a pig right now. And we're not even at the top yet. Okay, we're getting closer. Give you a pan view. Okay, we're a little taller, a little higher.
Yeah, so am I.
This is so rad. What a rad view.
So tubular. Mondo cool, bro. Hello, everyone. Thought I would film it. I made it to the base of the waterfall here, and just so unbelievably hot. Took off my shirt, enjoying this fresh water a little bit. Some stacked rocks over there, looking pretty cool. But yeah, just chilling here. The water is so nice. Oh my God, it's like 95. I don't even know how hot it is out here. And just stepping in this cold water, it's just like, oh boy, so good. So needed. Oh boy, this is so nice. Anyways, I'll meet you back when I have something more interesting to show. And yeah, we're coming down here on the downwards path towards the falls. Little spot here to go hit the water again, which honestly that looks gorgeous. I probably will go down there in a little bit, but for now we're just gonna keep going along this path here. Ooh, working them calluses. Something I did a lot when I was a little kid is I would just go outside and into the gravel and shit. Nothing. Oh, excuse me. Huh? Would just go out into the gravel and stuff with no shoes on. So when I was young, I developed calluses on my feet, and I still do, so I can kind of walk like this. But, oh, wow. Oh, okay. So we've reached the end. All right, back at it here at the river, just chilling. It's looking real nice out here. People chillaxing. Yeah, I don't know. Not much else to say. Just gorgeous. I'm about to lay down right there. All right. I stayed there longer than I probably should have, and longer than I expected, but when you're burning hot and you've just got back from a mile hike up a mountain and there's a beautiful glistening river, it's perfectly shallow enough to lay your entire body down in and just let the water flow through you. I had to stay there for a while. Dad, sorry in advance, but I'm speeding down there. And yeah, but it's absolutely amazing, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I haven't been somewhere like this where it's this pretty in quite a while, and it's very refreshing. It's new, yet just like absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous place. So happy to get the opportunity to come up here. It's great. So I'm heading back down. So, as always, thank you guys for tuning in. I carried you a bit the rest of the way, but I hope that you enjoyed it. Truth be told, I could stay there all day. I could stay there until the sun goes down, but we have plans. I'm not gonna mess with those. So, back down the mountain we go. And, yeah. See you later.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the Multnomah Falls here, the Columbia River Gorge. And I just wanted to point out something about the parking here. Between May and September, you have to make a reservation, not for the parking, but just to be able to get into the park. And if you don't have one, you can't get from the parking to Multnomah Falls. So definitely make sure you go online and do that. And then
but it was wonderful, absolutely great.
We'll see you on our next journey. And
yeah,
Ryan kept going up that trail, as you will see.
Yeah.
Or as you saw already.
So,
Thanks again.
Yeah, have a good one.